Hello, children. Welcome to the first GK session. Indian culture gives women the utmost respect. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. They play the most important role in everyone's life. Women are as superior as men. Indian women has taken a step ahead and are the first ones to achieve great heights. Their contribution in each field is remarkable. Let's learn about the great achievements of Indian women in different fields. First, we will learn about Meher Moose. She is the first Indian woman to go to Antarctica. She has visited 180 countries in 50 years. She is born and brought up in Maharashtra. At the age of 21, she joined Air India as an air hostess. Let's know about Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. She is the first women Director General Police. She rendered 33 years service in this department. Next, we will know about Leela Seth. She was the first woman judge of Delhi High Court and she became first woman to be a Chief Justice of State High Court. For her bravery, the Government of India awarded Neerja Bhanot Ashoka Chakra Award, India's highest gallantry award for bravery in the face of enemy during peacetime. She is the youngest recipient and first woman recipient of this award. Next, we will know about Sushmita Sen. She is an Indian film actress and model who was crowned Miss Universe in 1994 contest at the age of 18. Sen is the first Indian to win Miss Universe and has primarily worked in Hindi films. Tanushree Parekh is the first woman to join the force in the officer rank after she was selected in the All India exam conducted by the UPSC. She became the first female combat officer commissioned by the BSc. Next, we'll know about Suchita Kriplani. She was an Indian freedom fighter and politician. She was India's first woman chief minister, serving as the head of Uttar Pradesh government from 1963 to 1967. Let's know about the first Indian female physician. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi was the first Indian female physician. She was the first woman from the Bombay Presidency of India to study and graduate with a 2-year degree in Western medicine in the United States. 70 years after independence, Shubhangi Swaroop has made history by becoming the first woman to be inducted into the Indian Navy as a pilot. Next, we will learn about Kamini Roy. She was a Bengali poet, social worker and feminist in British India. She was the first women honours graduate in India. Sarojini Naidu was the first female to become the governor of an Indian state. She governed Uttar Pradesh from 15th August 1947 to 2nd March 1949. Let's know about Margaret Alva. She is an Indian politician who was the first woman governor of Indian state of Rajasthan. She took over in Rajasthan from Punjab governor. V.S. Ramadevi was an Indian politician who was the 13th governor of Karnataka and 9th chief election commissioner of India. She was the first woman to become chief election commissioner of India. Snehalata Srivastav is an Indian former IAS officer, businesswoman and civil servant who is the current Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. She is appointed as the first woman Secretary General of Lok Sabha. After India's independence, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur became part of Jawaharlal Nehru's first cabinet. She was the first woman to hold cabinet rank. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Easy learning, happy learning.